When we sit down and try to list the use cases for AI, the possibilities are endless, right? And that's actually, a lot of teams actually hit analysis paralysis. We keep thinking and thinking and thinking, and there is no deployment of anything because of the vast possibilities of the application of AI. And so the way we tackle this is rather very important. Number one, we try to cover the gap between the crossroad between the technical know-how and the use cases. So that's one. In other words, understand what the technology is capable of performing. That's one. And then number two, list the possible use cases. Then we prioritize them based on impact. We put them in a backlog, select the first two or three, and start working on them. So very recently, I was just mentioning that we just finished the development of our new strategy for the coming 5 years. And then we wanted to roll it out and share it with everyone in the bank. So, meeting 1,000 people and repeating the same presentation over and over, even if you do it in batches of 10 or 20 or even 50, is actually a daunting task, right? And so then the Q&A is actually also a nightmare, because each and every one would be standing up asking, what's in it for me? How does it change my way of working? And how does it relate to my domain? And so, there's a lot of questions you need to answer there. One easy way to tackle that using AI was to actually create a knowledge repository for OpenAI, and then use it to create a specialized AI assistant to answer questions just on that document. Just on that document, which covers our new strategy. And so when I send it out for everyone and tell them, here's the link to your specialized strategist or strategy assistant, click it and ask it anything about the current strategy, the current new strategy, and how it pertains to you and what's in it for you, and it will answer you, and you don't need to come to our sessions. This is actually, a major improvement, enhancement in our way of working, and it helps us, achieve strategic alignment and a sense and an overall organizational sense of direction a lot faster than the conventional way. The nature of large institutions like banks. Banks are running on enterprise mode, and others and more innovative companies are running on startup mode. They're a lot faster, they're a lot more nimble, they're a lot more agile. We like to adopt agile in our way of working and say that we are capable of running through feedback loops, iterating, and coming back to the customers with something better. We like to say that, right? But the reality is a far cry from this. I think in terms of what we've actually rolled out and applied in terms of and benefited from AI, we haven't even touched the surface yet.